Hello YouTube members. So if you're facing this problem like 404 not found in your home page, and if you just go back and if you click on the customization option, you will if you just let's click on customization. Okay, just click on this and you will see the same problem in your Shopify store. So when you install a theme and then if you, I think sometimes you will face this problem. Okay, so it's still loading now, but we need to remove. Okay, we need to fix it. How we can fix it? 404 not found in your Shopify store. So for this problem, yeah, if I click on this, you will see the main file. You will see here is the error main 404. Okay, this one. And if I just click on this, and you need to just edit code. Okay, you know, just click on edit code, and you will find here the all of the code. So it's showing like that. And if I just copy, and if you search here just index dot, you will see here the index file is missing, so that's why this error is showing right now. So just you need to create this file under template. Okay, so just template and just add new and select like index. Okay, it should be JSON format, and just click on OK. And you need to just same text you can just put here. And if I just click on this, let's check. Okay, you will see the invalid JSON template, it's showing like that. So and if I just visit, you will see here the lot of section. If I just click on this text, so if I just put this section, you will see this text, this one is name is this text. So you need to put the template name in your this file. Okay, this here your JSON file, you need to put your template name. So if I just copy this code and I'll just here the like image banner. Okay, this is the drawn theme feature. Okay, you do not need to think about when you install a theme. The new theme index JSON is automatically create here. So the section name is image banner. Okay, and the feature product and also the order banner and feature product. So if I just click on save, it will be saved. Okay, you will see there here do not have any error, so it's perfect right now. Okay, and if I search on here image banner, just search this, you need to find just search here, you will see this section image banner, and you need to just put your section. Okay, this section under banner and feature collection. If I just search here feature collection FEA, so here is the feature collection. So when you put this thing here, then it's the problem will be solved. And if I reload my store, you will see boom, so the 404 problem is solved successfully. And if I visit my store right now, if I just reload it, and this problem will be gone. So guys, after a few minutes you will see it's perfectly load my store. So you will see at the home page is loading right now. So if you, so guys, if you found this tutorial helpful, just buy me a copy. I will write link in my video description. So thanks for watching this video.